Back. That's not a bad 10 point. I'll take him. That's a nice buck. I like him. Oh my god. I haven't even been in the stand. Chris, 5-10 minutes. I can't believe this. Holy crap. I didn't think I'd actually be getting any of this on video. I just didn't even bring the camera in today, and wow, that was a pleasant surprise. Well, turn the camera around and I guess get our way down there eventually here. Kind of wait for him just to go lay down a bit and crash, but unreal. So, out of the stand, I'm just tracking that deer right now, and can't do camera work because bloody rookie hour. But needless to say, yeah, I think I got him good. The old hawken, I think, did a mighty fine job getting this buck. Just kind of want to keep this thing rolling, but yeah, I think he's going to be expired here pretty quick. So, I don't think he made it too far. This is that scrape line that I've been chasing. Oh. I wonder now. I'll come back when I find them. Might have to plug them again. We'll see. Another scrape there. Let's go. Well, folks, I put this rifle over my shoulder here. I didn't have to go more than another 12 feet. And look at that. There he is. Beautiful buck. We'll go up to him, and I think he might still be kicking, so turn it off, make sure he's down, and turn it back on when I know for sure. Well, man, I can't believe this. I am beyond happy, and I just so blessed with another beautiful, amazing Alberta whitetail. Big, beautiful, heavy 5, dark antlers, and my God, the body on him. He is, well, terrible camera work as per usual, but just my goodness. Oh my goodness, is he big. This is another buck that's making 200. Gosh, I thought his rack was so much smaller when he come in. I realize he's got a good rack on him, but my goodness, the body is huge. Oh yeah, he's going to be another heavy drag out, to say the least. He's going to be another heavy drag out. Not real wide, but nice, tall, and heavy. Oh. needless to say, it's been another great year hunting. You can see got some moss and stuff in his antler. He's been raking and running around, and I've been chasing a scrape line in here for about a week, and no luck, nothing. And then this morning I come in and I'd seen there was a bunch of new scrapes, and kind of that basically death stalked him the rest of the way into my stand there, and got up in the stand. And well, it worked out great, because I got in there and I'd grabbed an old set of antlers I had hanging around last night there, and I had a real nice 5-pointed shot when I was 16 there. And well, those rattlers came through, because it wasn't another, God, I'd say 15 minutes, and this big old bruiser come cruising through the timber there. And well, needless to say, I was not prepared, because left all the camera gear at home, so I'm trying to film on my cell phone right now, and I am tickled pink. Nice shot right behind the shoulder there, and the old Hawken rifle here, Pedersoli rifle, and man, I couldn't be happier. Beautiful gun, beautiful buck, and an absolutely beautiful day. And I just absolutely tickled pink, and all I can say is it's going to be one heck of a drag out, because this is a spot that the year before I took another beautiful 6x6 with my girlfriend on our 2-year anniversary, and well, I'd say not even 5 yards from where I took that one, I got this big old fella there. So needless to say, I think I found me a good little spot for them big, thick timbered Alberta whitetail.